birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Okay, you blow it out. Go ahead.
Blow the candle out.
You're chewing something.
Blow the candle out.
Oh, go ahead, blow it out. Close. Try harder.
Mom, blow it out.
Blow out your candle. Ready? I'm not gonna sneeze.
Blow out your candle, Mom.
Blow out your candle. Do this.
See the flame on your candle?
Can you put it out?
Yay, that was good. Yay. There might be some editing on here.